Hi again and welcome back. In this lesson, we'll be taking a look at vital website metrics of key players in the business environment and industry. Websites are a key point in audiences' journeys from discovery and awareness through to purchase and then beyond to retention and engagement. It's crucial to get a good look at information like where traffic is coming from and audiences' demographics. To go about this, you'll need to collate information from a platform that curates this kind of data. I'll demonstrate using SimilarWeb. You can get the platform's link from the resources section of this lesson. You'll be able to gather information like apps published, desktop versus mobile traffic, monthly website visitors, traffic sources, social traffic sources, display traffic information, audience demographics and interests, the websites that the audience also visits, top referrers, site topics and competing sites. Remember, you can always pause this video or replay sections of it as you may need to. Let's begin. First off, open a fresh browser tab or window. Type in SimilarWeb.com and hit enter. You'll be brought to the platform's homepage. Type in the domain that you want website information on. Hit enter or select the link that appears. Let's look at udemy.com. You'll be brought to a sign up page. You can sign up using your LinkedIn account or with a business email address. Since I have an existing trial account, I'll go ahead and sign in. Once you're signed in and on the result page for the website you're researching, you'll be able to view many of the key metrics useful for understanding and conducting analysis of competing websites within your industry. On top, you'll see some of the site's top-level business information including apps published. This is followed by total visitors in the previous month, device distribution, and ranking for the primary country and industry. Scrolling down, you'll come to the engagement overview. You can hover over the information icon over any of these points for more information about what these data points are all about. We have pages per visit per user and the average visit duration by each user, the bounce rate, which was a measure earlier captured by Google Analytics. Remember, if you hover your cursor over the eye next to each of these, a description will pop up explaining what each of these are, just like you're seeing here. I'd urge you to see each one the first time you use this platform. Next, we see traffic over a period of time. Here, we're seeing the weekly traffic, but you can change the view to daily traffic or monthly traffic. Back to the weekly traffic, you'll see the key traffic competitors for the website you're researching. These are websites that vie for the same audience's attention. Note these down. After this, you'll see the regional traffic share by country. Here, you'll see the top countries contributing traffic to the website. If your business operates globally or continentally, this kind of information could be important for you. You'll be able to visually identify where audiences visit from or on which markets you may need to focus on. Continuing on the SimilarWeb page, we come to top traffic sources by channel. Traffic source information is vital because it helps identify the more important sources within the industry environment. If you track the data for your own brand and traffic competitors in your industry over a period of time, you'll be able to notice and thereby plan for seasonal changes in traffic contribution by each channel. Here, we see that direct traffic is the highest. This could be because users may have bookmarked the site or typed in the site's address into the browser. Let's quickly look at the other sources of traffic. Organic search traffic indicates visitors to the website through unpaid search engine results or not via search ads. Paid search is pretty much self-evident. This indicates visitors who arrive at a website through paid advertisements on search engines like Google or Bing. Referral traffic refers to visitors who arrive at a website through links from other sites. Display traffic refers to visitors who arrive at a site by clicking on display ads such as banners which may be seen on other sites. Similarly, social traffic indicates visitors who have arrived via links from social media platforms like YouTube, LinkedIn, or Facebook. Email traffic too is self-explanatory. It indicates visitors who arrive at a site by clicking links within emails sent to them. Then, further down the page, you see organic search contribution. Here, we see that organic search provides a wholesome 15.4% of the website traffic. If you get an upgraded paid account, which is affordable if you're a medium or large enterprise, you'll be able to see the breakdown of branded versus non-branded organic keywords. Then there's top organic search terms, which we'll cover in a separate lesson in detail using a different tool to find those. Below this, you'll come to paid search, which shows there's a fair bit of search promotion being undertaken. Paid search is useful to pull high-intent users who are looking for specific products or services, or even running searches for generic category terms. You'll need to note all the key data that you research for all the websites that you review. I have a template for this, which I'll show you later in this lesson. Further down the page, we come to referrals. Referral web traffic is shown by top referring websites and by industries. Referrers are sites which send traffic to a website because they have links on them which users can click on. Incredibly, ChatGPT shows as one of the top referrers here, which likely means that people are using ChatGPT search and arriving at this website via result links. Fantastic! Below this, you'll see outgoing traffic, and next to this, outgoing ads. Outgoing traffic indicates the top websites that visitors go to immediately from this site via links on the website. Outgoing ads is self-evident. These are sites receiving traffic via ads on the site you're researching. Below this is social traffic contribution. The social traffic breakdown shows the percentages of social traffic platform-wise. Remember that these percentages combined from all the social media platforms form the total social traffic. While social media doesn't seem to contribute much traffic, it is a vital component for brand activity, especially for social proof and brand persona building. Finally, at the bottom of the page, we see display advertising. This comprises display ad networks where display ads are being run. The percentages indicate which are contributing the most. Then there's top publishers, which shows which sites host the most number of ads. This will also indicate the kind of sites most important for display advertising. Display advertising is important for awareness activities as they allow high repetition, high frequency branding. The next thing we'll want to look at is similar sites. These are websites that are in direct competition for the specific audience's attention. Within the menu on the left, you'll see similar sites. Click on that. You'll notice a number of websites that have close affinity to the website you're researching. Affinity shows how closely matched the listed websites are to the one you're researching. Here, Coursera shows as being 100% a close match to Udemy. You'll need to note these down, as well as any others you come across from other research of your own marked as key industry players within your business domain. We'll do that in the next lesson. For now, let's look at audience demographics. On the left-hand menu, head over to demographics and click on it. You'll come to a page with website audience demographics covering gender and age distribution. Gender distribution will help you analyze the likelihood of either gender visiting a website within your industry or product category. Similarly, the age distribution will aid you in understanding the age groups of your industry audience that are most likely to visit. Once you have this data for a number of sites across your industry, you'll be able to determine the age group averages for your industry. Below this, you'll see the traffic and engagement by audience, gender, and age group. You'll have to select the variable, like gender for example, to get the data for each combination. You'll need to fill all this into the template, which we'll cover in the next lesson. Now let's take a look at audience interests. Click on Audience Interests in the left-hand menu. The Audience Interests page covers the browsing habits of the visitors to the website you're researching. This covers the relevant industries the audience is interested in and the kind of topics or high-frequency keywords that appear on the site. Scrolling down, you'll see the other websites that the audience visits. This information is good to know for advertising and promotional purposes. Finally, let's take a look at geography. On the left-hand menu, click Geography. You'll be brought to a page showing top countries from where website visitors are accessing the site. Scroll down to see traffic by country. This data will aid you in determining which countries on which to focus your audience communication. Now, let's head back to website performance. In the next lesson, I'll walk you through how to collate the essential data into a templated table for the websites that you identify for research. You'll see how to collate and analyze the gathered information to make observations and to glean insights for your overall strategic approach. The link for SimilarWeb is available in the resources section of this lesson. Go ahead and sign up. See you in the next lesson.